Damn, man, look at my hair. What happened to my hair? Woo! I need to get my hair cut, man. But wait, roll the intro.
100 boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.
What's up, guys? Your boy Luaza Smooth back again with another reaction video. It's good to have you guys, and please keep it real and subscribe, man. Today's video is Fla, Little Thug E, and Ginjin, guys. Woo! It's gonna be fire. Get the money. Let's go. Let's get it. Wonder Art Production. I see you guys. Running my cup. Che. Wanna see me fall? Nah. Subscribe right now. Woo. Yeah. Oh man, this song is gonna be hot. Trust. He's got the old school one. Oh man. Let's get this money. Get this Get money. That guy on the right kills me, man. With the glasses. Oh my god, man, he kills me. Oh man, superstars, man. You know, man, these guys always bring the heat, man. Mongolia is fire, guys. You guys know that already. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you check it out, man. That being said, Lwazi is gone, man. Cool song, man. Like, down to the point, straightforward. It's on point. Peace.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.